Amatullah from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Samtullah.
My question is, if you've been getting random white hairs growing in your hair since your late teens, is this considered a defect? And are we allowed to color them using hair dye? Because I know you can't dye the hair black, but if the hair dye is like a different shade of black, like soft black or light black, is this permissible?
Can you repeat the question? How old is that person?
In the early 30s.
And they have white hair?
Yeah, like random white hairs in like since their teens. They have been getting the random white hairs coming out. So is that considered a defect?
Okay.
And if it is, can we dye it using a hair dye that is like different shades of black?
Okay. First of all, it's a rule in Sharia that a defect can be removed. So it's not changing the creation of Allah. A person has a sixth finger instead of 5. So is it permissible to operate and restore the norm back to his hand? The answer is yes. A person is born with a crooked lip or a rabbit lip, I don't know what's called in English, and it's a defect by birth. Can we do surgery to restore a normal look? Definitely yes. Likewise, a teenager in his teens or early 20s, and he has random white hair. His hair is black. There's no problem in dyeing the hair black, because this is not cheating others. Like when someone, in my case, dyes his hair black, and I look, okay, whoa, if I dye my hair black, I would look like 25 or 30 years younger. Because till now, alhamdulillah, with the grace of Allah, I don't have any apparent wrinkles on my face. So people would think that if I have black hair, black beard, that I may be 30 years of age or 35 years of age. That puts some, takes off some mileage off of me, which is okay, good. No, this is cheating, haram. But a person who's in his teens or early 20s, to do that, this is totally permissible. In their 30s, this is when white hair starts to appear, and that would be a little bit dubious, and therefore it's best not to do it. However, you can change that. I can change that, avoiding black. So if I dye my beard with dark brown, yes, if you, under the spotlights, in the sun, you can see it's dark brown or reddish. There's no problem in that. It's totally halal. But to dye it in black, this is what is not permissible, and I hope this answers your question.